Hi everyone, in this video let's see how we can generate random strings and numbers at runtime in a dynamic fashion. This is pretty straightforward, and let me show you quickly from the Tricentis demo site. So we are going to take this example from the demo web shop from Tricentis. So if you click on register here, now you can see there are a couple of text boxes, right? First name, last name, email, password, and this one, right? So what I've done is I have scanned this application. I have added this search store as one control, and all this gender, first name, last name, email, and all these values to register in this demo web shop. So what I'm going to do here is to generate a random name. Instead of, you're not hard coding it, and instead at runtime, the first name, if you want to randomly generate a string with some name, and last name also with some name, email, as per your requirement, if you want to give a static value, you can give here, or if you want to use some random functions to generate, you can give those. So we'll see what are those different random functions that we can use using TOSCA. So as I told you, I have already added this page as one module here in TOSCA. So let me show you that one. Random under folder, this demo site register to. I have added all those elements as part of this module. So you can reuse this module and verify how you can generate random strings and numbers, right? So let me go to the test cases. Under random, I have created a random folder, and you can create a test case under this folder. So right click and create test case. I'll name it as random sample test case, right? So now under this test case, you can add one step. So already I told you, right? So I have added this. What is the module name? Let me see, demo site register, right? The same module you can add as a step here. So I can search with demo site register 2, and then this step you can configure the parameter. So what is that? So here we are seeing, or we are learning random values, right? So let me show you how you can use those functions. Now here, this is the search button. So from here, search store, and I'm going to generate a random number here. So what I do, so you can select the action mode input. Here you can start with curly braces, and the random number generation, there is one keyword R and D. So this will actually, sorry, R and D, and you can close the curly braces. So this R&D will generate random number. So after that, you can specify the number of digits also. You can restrict. So square bracket, and then say like 8 digits I want to generate a random number. Okay, you close that and then close the curly braces. So this is the function to generate a random number. Now here, and then the radio button, you can input and you can click here, and the first name, so this is a string, right? So first name, what I do, input, and the same, you can start with curly braces and random. So random text I'm going to give. So randomly it will generate a text, and you can even give the number of characters in that text. So you start with square bracket, and let me give some 6 characters. Close the square bracket, and then close the curly brace. So this will actually generate a random string having 6 characters only. Now let's say last name. So here I want to use some regular expression instead of generating a random text. So if you want to specify these characters, these numbers and all, you can use a regular expression. So for that you can use curly braces and curly random regex. This is the function. Okay, so you can use a regular expression. You start with square bracket, and all the times you just remember the regular expression must be specified with double quote. So double quotes, and you can use this symbol. This is one symbol, and this symbol denotes the beginning of the line. So regular expression should start with double quote, and then this symbol is, it denotes the beginning of the line, and then you can specify the values. So say like you can start with square bracket again, and what I do, in between A to M, okay, A to M, the values must be in between A to M. And how many characters you want, you can again start with curly braces, and I'll give 5, okay, and close the curly braces, right? And if you want some numbers to be appended to these characters, you can use plus symbol and then square brackets. Say like in between 4 to 9 you want to generate some numbers, and close the square bracket, and how many numbers randomly to be appended to the text, you can give that number also. Say like curly braces, and then I say 4 numbers, right? And then now you see, if you want to close the line, the string end of the line or end of the string, you have to use the dollar sign. Okay, I have used the dollar sign, right? And then you have to close the expression, right? Regular expression with double quotes, right? And then square bracket and curly braces, close it in this way. So this regular expression will generate a name or a string having characters from A to M. Like 5 characters will be generated and appended with 4 numbers. So this is the meaning of the regular expression that we have used here. And then some email you can give. At the rate of example.com. So password also I am giving some ABCD at the rate 456. Okay. And then click on register. So before clicking on the register, what I want to do is, so I'm not using this one, clicking on register link. So as part of this step, after entering all the values, I'm going to add a screenshot so that you can verify whether those names or strings or numbers are getting generated randomly. So I'll add one step to take a screenshot. Tbox take screenshot is standard module in TOSCA. You can add here, and then you can give the path, environment, directory, and file name. So already we have seen here, so I'm going to enter directly. I'm not getting into the details here how to take a screenshot. Already we have covered this as part of one more video. So it will take a screenshot and it will capture, it will store the screenshot under this path. And after that, what I do, we can click on, you can add the same step, demo site, and you can use this module to click on the register link, right? So now we have configured. Let's the application is open, and let's execute in Scratchbook. So the execution is done. Now if you see, all the steps got successfully executed and the screenshot also was successfully captured. And we'll see how those values got generated randomly in the screenshot. Now let's get into the path where you have saved the screenshot at runtime, and open this one. And you can see the first name got 8 characters randomly generated, and last name as per the regular expression that you have given, randomly generated. And this example email we have given, the same example has the same email has been copied. So this way you can make use of, as per your requirement in any of your test case. You can, if you want to generate a random number, you can use the same function, and you can use the regular expressions. You can use randomly generated text in any of your test case.